Alright, hello everyone, welcome. So, the first thing that this is going to be about is Rocket Lobby System. Rocket Lobby System, for those of you who don't know, is a system that is a library. And this library is designed, and will be designed, for multiple different Discord bot APIs, like JDA, Discord for Java, Discord for JavaScript, Discord for Python. At least that's what I'm trying to do. And all these different libraries are designed to allow you to make multiplayer games, massive multiplayer games, where people from different servers or guilds, even through the bots DMs, can join multiplayer games. And all the lobby system stuff in the input handling is handled automatically by the system. And all the programmer of the bot has to do is just get the lobby system installed into their project, and then they can just simply use it and learn how to use it. I plan on making tutorials covering the details and the basics on how to use it, and it's fairly self-explanatory. Well, it's not self-explanatory, which is why I will be making a tutorial series, but it should work alright. Here's a demonstration of a game in the lobby system here, and using the JDA, the Java Discord API. And as you can tell, there's all this different stuff, and then of course here's like the input handler and the display board. All this is made by me. Then you get into the override, like get max players, there's get game name, run when game is complete, and it's very simple. It's very easy. And then you can go over it here, for example, all this is Rocket Lobby System. We can go to input test. You can tell the code is very easy to understand. There's only a few things you need to overwrite, and I'll be explaining what this stuff means, and well, it's simple as that. So the main goal of these lobby systems that I will be designing over time is to give Discord bot developers a way to create massive multiplayer games that people can play, things of that nature, and it'll allow them to have that freedom, so they don't have to worry about creating their own database and lobby system, because all that's handled for them for the most part. There's a few things that of course they do have to do, since this system it has a lot of moving parts, and it does need some assistance from the programmer who's using the library. But for the most part, everything is happening in the background, and you don't have to even know what's happening. So that's my goal. There will be links in the description to a GitHub that has multiple branches, and every branch is pretty much a system. There's going to be an RLS for JDA, which is the first one I'm going to complete. There's going to be one for Discord for Java. There's going to be one for JavaScript, Python, and I'm going to try and make those. And if there's any other languages that I can work on, I'll be doing that. Pretty much any popular language, popular API for Discord that people use, I'll be making it. So that's how that will work out. Okay, before I go though, I should mention that there are some things you gotta keep in mind about each one. This is going to take time, for one, and for two, every system is going to be a little different. I'm going to try and make it as similar as possible, but you gotta realize that not only are the APIs different, there's going to be different languages. And like one big thing is with Java, it makes heavy use of utilizing threads. It utilizes threads a lot, and that kind of trades. It uses more CPU power and resource, but it makes the games run a lot more efficiently. It makes things run a lot faster. Languages like Python don't have multi-threading, and at that point everything is handled on the main thread, which can cause a few problems. I'm gonna have to find a way to make it work efficiently without it slowing way down, which there's things like that. So it's gonna take time. And there's also the fact that how I'm not exactly knowledgeable with Python or JavaScript, for example. Those two languages I don't know very well because I've never bothered to use them I haven't had a time where I've needed them. And this will be kind of a learning experience for me because I want to learn the ins and outs of every language so I can get something as good as possible. So yeah, that's what's going to happen. And I will be making tutorials whenever it's finished. And of course, since you can go to the GitHub, you can make pull requests. You can report any bugs or problems. Please do if you do find any problems. And I'll be updating all that when it's needing updating. And yeah, great. So yeah, I expect that. And yeah, have a good day.